At the tone.
Oh.
You heard what I heard, right?
I thought I heard a little something.
Move my car back a little bit, please.
Everybody went.
No, don't say everybody went. Only the back markers went. Don't say everybody went.
First of all, you're not a back mark until the first lap. So just be careful.
Good point.
Or you're gonna crash in the first lap anyway.
Absolutely. That's the plan, isn't it?
I should just sit back here and let everybody crash.
Oh, we're going to crash.
Wait till AAA comes.
Yeah, I know.
Oh,
I
right.
ain't even wait for AAA. I'm going around. I don't rubberneck. I just keep moving.
Hold on, people.
Yo, Franz, don't hit me off the Franz.
He'll take himself out.
Shoot, I'll put my car to the side. Take the radio. Looks like the cross bunch of
I throw my radio.
I dare you.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
All right, listen up. Hear tone go. Listen up.
I can't see my car, Ben. Ben, I can't see my car. There we go, thank you.
Ben, stop bending over.
I know I'm a distraction. You want to tell me?
Nah, not here, dude.
Go.
Wow. Where did the tone come from?
Go. Keep going. Computer's messing up.
brakes. I got freaking pedestrians on the road. I just want to finish the race. Why? Let's start over.
Oh, please.
I got to recharge my batteries. I got batteries are dead.
They're dead.
Yeah, after yo,
The batteries.
all the way up to second.